I think the first thing to understand about corporal mortification is that it is a spiritual discipline with a rich and long history in the Catholic Church, and that it is practiced by plenty of people. Mother Teresa used a small whip. Padre Pio used the hair shirt and the whip and the cilice. And it has always been understood by a certain kind of Catholic spirituality as a way to participate in the suffering of Christ on the cross.
I'm a wife, I'm a mother, I'm a plastic surgeon.
I am Vice President of Human Resources.
I'm a college president.
I'm an educator, a coach.
I'm a retired guy, I'm an engineer, I run around a lot.
You got the full gamut, I think, of personalities and professions. The one thing we have in common is we want to live our faith on a serious basis every day.
In a sense, you could say they're living more Christian than other Catholics are.
These are the corporal mortification instruments that are used. This is the discipline. They use it on their bare buttocks while they recite a Hail Mary. The cilice is like a barbed wire chain. They tie this around their thigh. They're encouraged to tie it tightly so that it digs into the skin. And they wear this for 2 hours every day except Sundays and feast days.
We do something that we don't complain about, that doesn't bother us very much, and we offer that to God. Why that should bother someone so much, I really don't know.
I'm in this forever, because you think God called you to this, and you know, come hell or high water, you're going to be faithful, you're going to stick it out for the rest of your life.